A common struggle when creating content at scale is ensuring accessibility. Alt text for images, heading levels, the color and size of text, and other accessibility requirements ensure all site visitors can participate in your website experience. The designers and creatives making the content are not always accessibility experts. In fact, many lean marketing and e-commerce teams don't have dedicated accessibility experts at all. Faster AI acts as an accessibility co-pilot. It is an expert in accessibility and can provide very tailored guidance to help ensure ADA compliance prior to publishing your content. Let's take a look at a page created in the Faster Front-End Experience canvas. The built-in accessibility scorecard will identify any potential issues so they can be corrected. There are hundreds of aspects that are evaluated, such as shapes and images needing alt text, or text areas that don't have heading tags associated with them. Quite a few errors have been flagged in this example. Some errors may require correction. Some may require a decision be made to ignore elements that would make the experience confusing when accessed through a screen reader. It can be a time-consuming task for a member of your team to manually evaluate each potential issue identified on the scorecard. With Faster AI, we can start a conversation and ask some basic questions to help. For example, can you take a look at this scene and tell me whether any of the images seem like they have placeholders in the alt text? Faster AI identified the alt text for many of the images are file names, which happens quite often. Faster AI has created an accurate list of alt text suggestions by looking at the entire experience, the file name, the image, and surrounding text. After a quick review of what Faster AI has returned, we can ask it to make the changes it recommended right away. Think about it. A human sitting in front of a computer, going through each error, evaluating the specific use and placement of the image, and determining appropriate alt text captions could potentially take a minute for each instance. Faster AI was able to evaluate everything, return suggestions, and implement them within 30 seconds. Launch all your e-commerce experiences faster and ensure they're accessible with Faster Front End.